If Roblox isn't launching on your PC or laptop, here's how to fix it. First, restart your computer by opening the Start menu, clicking the Power button, and choosing Restart This closes background apps that might block Roblox. After restarting, try launching Roblox before opening other programs. If it still won't open, uninstall and reinstall Roblox. To do this, right-click the Start menu, select Installed Apps or Apps and Features on Windows 10, search for Roblox, and uninstall Roblox Player. Then press Win+R, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. Next, go to the official Roblox website, log in, choose any game, and click Play. When prompted, click Download Roblox, then open the installer file and complete the setup. If Roblox still won't launch, check your taskbar's Hidden Icons menu and close programs like MSI Afterburner or Riva Tuner, which can interfere with Roblox. After this, Roblox should launch normally.